Okay, so, okay, wait. Let me fix the camera real quick. Nope. Can you fucking go into place? Is that good? Yeah, that works. Alright. Welcome to my stream. Wait, let me bring the mic a little closer so I'm gonna be a bit louder. I just unmuted the mic. Alright. Is it working? I probably should check that, eh? I always do that every stream. I always check. Number 13. Always check. Number 13. Test! Number 13. Test! I look chopped as fuck. Okay. So, welcome back to the stream. Welcome. Xavier, motherfucker, how are you already here? Hello Xavier. I'm gonna be doing, not Trello, we can get rid of that now. No. Health. Layer health. Wow. Ooh. And it becomes normal, but then you do it more and more, that's weird. Okay. Alright, so I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, so what am I doing? I am doing a player health, which I have written in the Trello thing if I'm correct. Right? Started doing player health. Yeah, okay, I'm doing player health right now. Yep.
Catch on with Booper.
Thank you, ad, for playing instead of just playing the video. Alright, there we go, here's the video.
A health bar in Gato, but I will show you the best and most simple way. Well, there are many ways to make a health bar in Gato, but
Gato.
I will show you the best and most simple way to do it. At first I add an enemy and a player in the scene.
Wow.
If you want to create an AI enemy, check out this video link in the description.
I'll watch it later.
Now create an area node and a collision shape to the enemy. Then create a new capsule mesh. And increase the radius a little bit. Now create a...
Okay, so I think the enemy thing, my guess is, I'm gonna watch the rest of the video, but my guess right now is what it is, you touch him and you lose health. So, you don't really need an enemy for that, you can just have a regular fucking object. So I think that's what I'm gonna do first. Because right now I'm not bothered to add an enemy.
For the player.
Anyway, sure.
Now add a canvas layer.
Wait, is this copyrighted music? Who the fuck knows?
Then add a progress bar.
Sorry for swearing, guys. I'm never gonna swear again.
Now customize the progress bar.
I would customize.
Create a new style box flat for the background.
Right, new style.
Then change the color to red.
Alright.
Now expand the margins. And also add a border effect.
Whoa, what happens if I don't? What happens if I just make
Set
it
the
the most
value to
ugliest
80
thing
to
ever?
view the background and fill. Again, create a style box flat. And change the color to green.
I don't like green, I'm gonna do blue. Yeah, blue would be good.
Now create a timer node. Next, set the weight value to 0.1. Also enable one shoot. Now in the enemy script, drag and drop the progress bar and timer. Now add a body signal to the enemy script. And add a timeout signal. Now call the player group. And start the timer. In timeout function, reduce the current value by 10.
Okay.
Also ensure the progress value is set to 100. Now the health bar reduces its value with each touch from the enemy. Now when the health bar value reaches 0, the player should die. To do this, simply write if the progress value is less than 10. Then print dead.
I'm not gonna print dead, I'm gonna...
Now, when the progress value reaches 0, it will print dead.
I think I'm instead just, bring you to the Devstream. Whoa. Expand the margins? Yeah, he is speaking fuck all of this. Okay. Let me go back to see what I'm actually meant to do.
Then create a new capsule mesh.
No, I don't care about that. Don't
Add a
care about
prog.
Okay, wait, I
This
might
video
actually...
link in the description.
Okay.
Now create an
We're gonna go here. Let's create a new block. So a nice... We'll just do a nice square. CSG, actually...
area node and a collision shape to the enemy.
Yeah, it should work. It'll be fine. Like, what did this one have? Button for test. What the fuck? Static body 3D and area 3D. Okay, so maybe I'll create a fucking. Oh, maybe I'll create an area 3D. Maybe I'll feel like it. Okay, we're gonna call this one. Damage. Player. Block. Very original name. I spelled block wrong. Fuck sake. Boop boop boop. Bop beep beep boop. Bam. Easy. Now. I don't know what to do.
Then create.
Add a collision shape, eh? Collision shape 3D. Let's do square. Ooh. I don't have a block in the first place.
A new capsule mesh.
Okay, what does this one do? He puts a CSG block in there. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Why do I say he? I'm the one that did it. I'm the one who did the work. Nobody's thanking me. I'm not even thanking me. What the fuck? How have you wondered how I get to the stream so fast? How? Yes, I have wondered actually. It's less than a minute. I'm setting it up and you're already here. Just already here. I don't fucking know. Please explain to me how you did the thing. How? Xavier, how did you do it?
And increase the radius a little bit.
A little bit. Okay, that's fair enough. So you know it actually detects with the player. Okay, I'll do that. Collision shape. We'll do 1.05. 1.05, 1.05. There we go. Now it's the cool overlay. What? I subscribe and turn on bell notifications. True! Okay, guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button and, what was it? The bell! Like, go ding! Like, press that. The ding, ding, that sound. Press it. Xavier has, you can too. Whoever the fuck is watching it. Oh, my stream delay. How bad is the stream delay? Uh-oh. Hold up. Wait a second, we gotta test it out. Because I put it on ultra low, so it should be like... Hopefully not that much. Hopefully not that much. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 4, 2. It's less than like 3 seconds. 3. It's not bad. 3. It's not bad. Test! It's not bad. Test! Test! It's not bad. Test! 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 Oh, that's so stupid. Why do my chat messages not go through for like 10 minutes then? Oh. Oh, okay. I don't know. To help you, I'm gonna time out you for 50 years. Put timeout 24 hours. Nah, chat. Wait, can I make you admin? How do I do this? Oh, you're a moderator. Wait, standard or managing? Here you go. You are standard moderator now, Xavier. Congratulations. Yeah. Oh, you have a new icon. Oh, that's awesome. Oh yeah. Okay, what do I do now?
Now create a group for the player.
A group? What?
Increase the radius a little bit. Now create a group for the player.
For the player? Okay, Jesus, how much CSG blocks? Okay, close that, close that, close that. Player, here it is. Group. Group. What do I do?
A little bit.
Ugh.
Now create a group for the player.
Player. Layer. Do I make it global? I don't think it matters that much.
Now add a canvas layer, then add a progress bar.
Do I want to add a canvas layer to that, or do I want to add it to here? Shit. It'll be fine, I'll do here. And then it's probably gonna fuck it up later, but it'll be fine. Canvas bar. Okay, sure, canvas group. Sure. You're welcome, Zabe. You're welcome. I got you, bro. I got you. Especially with this being a very important stream to have. But sorry, let me quickly test the line block works. Okay, jump, 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 jump. Okay, just don't jump. Jump, 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 jump. Okay, just don't jump, jump. Jesus Christ. Jump, 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 jump. I need to definitely change this level because this level is kind of a bit doo-doo right now. Okay, let's test the line block. Oh my god, it works. What are they yapping about? It works. I'm a bit thirsty actually. I'm gonna quickly drink some water. I'll be back real quick. Just 1 second. Just one second. I'm a bit thirsty. Just a little bit thirsty. Also, I think I smell. What do I smell? Give me a second. It's like a gas leak or something. If this place blows up, then I don't know. I'm back. I'm back. Oh, okay. I just couldn't burp. Okay. I'm back. Nope. Still can't burp. Okay. I'm disappointed. So let's add a, what is it? A canvas layer. We gotta call it health bar. Health bar. I don't like the health bar though. That looks pretty ugly. I'm gonna still do it for now. Progress bar. Make it bigger.
Now customize the progress bar. Create a new style box flat for the background. Then change the color to red.
You know, I kind of wanna put it down here. Yeah. What happens if I don't do red? What happens if I do? I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do.
Create a new style.
Okay, so what do I do?
Now customize the progress bar.
Customize the progress bar styles.
Create a new style box flat for the...
Yeah, wait a second. Jesus. Where are you looking at?
Now customize the progress bar.
Oh, themes are override. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Okay. What do I press?
Create a new style box flat.
Style box flat. The fuck's the difference? Okay, anyway. What color should be the base? Yellow? Red makes the most sense. We'll do that red.
Black for the background.
Alright.
Then change the color to red.
Change the color to red. Red. Change the color to
The background.
red.
Then change the color to red.
To red. To red. Change the color to red. Red.
Now expand the margins.
Explain the margins. Ooh, I love explaining the margins. Sorry, what? Progress bar, style,
Now expand the margins.
I love expanding margins. Where the fuck do I expand the margins? Oh, it's there. What are these? Oh my god. Okay. Wait, why?
And also add a border effect.
Sure, I'll do that, and I'll add a border effect just for you. Just for you, actually. Let's do black. Oh, let's do white. Border width. 3, 3, 3, 3. There we go, now it's ugly as shit. Shot my pants.
And
Okay.
also add a border effect.
Add a border effect. What now? What
Set
now?
the value to
I don't like that red. I changed my mind. That's a shit red. That's a nice red.
80 to view the background and fill.
Sorry, what?
Set the value.
Slow down, Plaster. I don't know what the fuck you want me to do. Value 80? Oh, I kind of like it like this. So stupid.
To 80 to view the background and fill. Again, create a style
Oh my god, I don't want to fucking create a background. Where the fuck do I find Phil?
box flat.
What? Oh, it's there. Now what color am I painting? Blue, yeah, blue words, yeah. Yeah, what about paint? Paint words. Paint will be cool. Well, imagine this. Let's make it blue. Oh yeah, just delete the fucking word I did. You know what? That was a perfect blue. You fucked it up. Fuck. Right. Anyway, now we have this.
And
shit
change the
color
color to green.
to green. It has to be green, guys. We have to be exactly like every other day. Make it a bit more red. Ooh, 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 ooh. Very nice. Very nice. Wait, what? Hooray! Too red. Is this a family-friendly stream? No. No, it is family-friendly. It's just it matters if you find a fuck or shit or... No, I can't say that. Yeah, just press shit. If you're fine of shitting on the floor, you're fine on this stream. Don't worry. God damn, my hair is ugly. Wait. Wow, that did fuck all. Okay. What now? Green would make more sense, but no. I don't want green. Okay, a bit more. Yeah, that's the good shit. Oh, actually. Yeah, that's the good shit.
Now create a timer node.
Now create a timer node. Now create a timer node. I don't want to create a fucking timer node, but dude. I'll add it. I'll create a timer node actually.
Next, set the weight value to
0.1.
0.1. Also enable one shoot.
Sure, okay.
Now in the enemy script.
Enemy script. I don't have an enemy script, so I'm just gonna create a script for the damage block. Put that in scripts. Open. Create.
Script. Drag and drop the progress.
Okay. On. Ready. Bar. Progress equals.
Bar and timer. Shoot. Now in the end.
Why does he do 2? What's the difference? Oh, it does that. Oh, okay, so it's like for naming stuff. Oh, okay, that's cool. You know, actually, I didn't know that existed. I'm gonna use that from now on. Cool.
Enemy script.
And also, on ready bar timer equals.
Script. Drag and drop the progress bar and timer.
Progress bar and timer. Progress bar and timer. Wow. Is this a word? Nope. Shit. Worker bar right there. Wow. I think there is a certain other word you have said in past streams that you didn't mention here. Really? Nah, I wouldn't think that, eh? Fuck right. What's another word I've said? I don't think I've said another word. Ever. I don't speak English. Especially not any word in particular that I might have said in another stream, which I didn't, because I don't say shit.
Now add a body signal to the enemy script. And
that was for the enemy, right? Yeah, it was.
One shoot. Now add a body signal to the enemy script. And add a timeout signal.
Okay, slow
Drag
down.
and drop the progress bar
Slow
and
down,
timer.
buddy.
Now add a body signal.
Okay, area 3D. Here. Node. No. Is node. It's not giving me any.
To the
It's not giving me this. Oh, precise. Oh, signals. Here we go.
enemy script.
Okay, body entered. Wait, I can just. Can I just. Cool.
And add a timeout signal.
Hey, fine, pass. Jesus. Can't handle the fact. The timeout signal. Okay, so it's on the same code, okay.
And add a timeout signal.
Which one? Oh, timeout. Oops. No. Damage player block. There we go.
Now call the player group.
If body dot is in group. Player. What was that?
And start the timer.
Okay. Timer dot start. My lights are flickering, bro. They are actually flickering. I don't like it. What the fuck? You guys seen this? I'm fucking seeing it. It's flickering.
In timeout function, reduce the current value by 10.
So the problem with this code is it only goes down by 10. You can't have exact. Like if you want it to go down smoothly, it's no.
Also ensure the progress value is set to 100.
Oh shit, eh? No, there's no way it's just gonna work just like that. Okay, there it is. Yeah, no. I forgot to add collision, eh? Shit. I just enclosed it. I just enclosed it out. Well, I'm a fucking Idiot. I guess I would say another word, but it's probably not the best to say it on stream. So I'm not gonna say it. Yeah. It's saved, it's saved, it's saved, save, save. It has saved. Collision. On play, save, play. Alright guys, let's test it out if it works. Okay. Boom, boom, I have 100%. Let's go. It doesn't work. Oh shit. What else do I have to do to make it work? Collision, shape, 3D. Damage player. Why is it not working?
Now the health bar reduces its value with each touch from the enemy.
Yeah, well that doesn't do it. Okay. So what does it? So what? Let me speak English, please. Okay. Why does it not work? All right, I followed the tutorial.
Now the health bar reduces its value with each touch from the enemy.
Slower. Talk slower.
Now when the health bar value reaches,
so I'm gonna be properly talking. Yes. Because if I talk fast, I'm just gonna fuck up what I'm trying to say. So right now I'm going to increase this because maybe that's the problem, making it so I'm not actually able to touch the thing. Just you wait, it's gonna work. Boop, boop, 100%. And it works. Okay, let me check the code real quick. If body is in group player, do I have to do player? Yeah, I do. Whoops, that's my bad. Okay, let me just redo this. So I just put this player. Okay. Alright, maybe it might work. Who knows? You'll be able to tell. Okay, so it doesn't work. If people are coming to the stream, what I'm doing is what am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm trying to add a health bar. So like you touch an enemy and it makes you lose health. But it doesn't really want to work, which is awesome.
The enemy. Also ensure the progress value is set to 100.
It is. How much do I do higher than 100? Hold up guys, real quick. Progress bar. How much do I do 150? 150. 150. Okay, it doesn't let you. Okay. Show percentage? Yeah, it's really? You can just remove the fan. Alright, anyway, timer should be working. What does the timer do for one shot? What does this mean? Okay, if body is in group player, timer.start, timer timeout. Does that have to be the exact timer? So if I do this. Timer. Okay. So I haven't changed anything, so it's not gonna work. Oh, but I don't even have the player entering the thing. Wait, how do I do the Devstream real quick? No, just def. If body on body entered, if body name equals player. Oh, I need to add this. Oh shit. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna add this to ready. Boop. So now, if on body entered, if body is in group player, timer.start. It might work now. It would make sense for it to work, but it doesn't work. But that's alright. That's progress. Nobody's messaging right now. I'm extremely disappointed. Okay, yeah, that's gonna work. That works. Everything else works, but not that. Okay. Interesting. I don't want to save the video.
Now the health bar reduces its value with each touch from the enemy.
Okay, it doesn't. Me. The main thing, the difference I did from the code is that I didn't use the enemy in the first place.
You've got a big new website idea.
So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna check the video. I'm gonna see what I'm missing, see if anything's actually required. And then I'll just do it and fix it.
In 3D games to make your world feel alive and challenging. To create it, first create a navigation region 3D
Shut up.
platform as a child node of the navigation region. Now create a new navigation mesh. And also enable baked navigation mesh.
What's the point?
Add a character body 3D.
Why?
Add a mesh instance. And collision. And add a capsule collision. Rename it enemy. And create a new script to the enemy. Now drag and drop the navigation agent. In physics process, apply gravity, not on the floor. And get the next path position
None of
using
this is needed for my own thing.
Also calculate the direction to the target and normalize it for consistent speed. Smoothly adjust velocity with move toward for responsive movement. Also use move and slide to apply the motion. Call this function and set a target position. The eye will follow the path to the target.
Yeah, sure.
I added a player scene as the target. Now create a group for the enemy. And add a script to the main scene. Now drag and drop the player to declare it as the target. It refers to the group name assigned to the enemy node. And this is the function name in the enemy script. It updates the target position that the enemy should follow.
Okay.
And this provides the target's current world position and sends it to the enemies. Now you have an AI enemy that follows the player. If you want to add walls or barriers to your platform,
you know, I could try. I'm gonna check the video here and look in the comments, see what people say. Why do this enemy bullet? Nothing happens to the player up when the bullet hit the player. Then after the 20. Okay, so all of these people are saying the videos help them, which is bad because it's not helping me. Okay. So what do I do here? Quickly, let's just pay respects to the credits. My greatest achievement. Okay. Very ugly level. Doesn't want to work at all. I'm gonna try what worked in other scripts and just quickly. Okay, let me bring the code here. Player, timer, health bar. Yes, okay, player. Do I do capital? What did I do in this code? Okay, I did capital in that one. I'm gonna try see if that changes anything. Imagine that's the only difference. Just one capital. Oh my god. It's not the reason. Okay. Fine. Void on body entered. On body entered, body 3D. If hey, what's the point of putting a timer? Just do this. No? Would that not work? Or does it just break it? Doesn't work anyway. But yeah, okay, what do I do? Might change this if body, whereas it probably it's right, but I just want to get something that is correct. If body, oh, because it's not in a group, is it? It's just a group. Wait, is there a group called player? Why is there a group called player? Why did I do that? Just what? It's the body name. That's the problem because it didn't even blah blah blah. Because there's not even a group to do anything. Oh shit, it actually works. Okay. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, well. Yeah! Oh my god, I'm touching the blood. Oh my god, 0%. Oh my god, I'm dead. Okay, now I'm gonna make it so it brings you to the Devstream. Let's do that right now, by following the tutorial. If people who don't know, I don't know shit about coding. I know nothing.
Also ensure the progress value is set to 1.
So that means right now I have to rely on this shit.
To do this, simply write if the bar value reaches 0, the player should die.
What code is this? What code is
Now
this?
when the health bar value reaches 0, the player should die.
This is the 3D volume code, okay. It's here. Progress.
To do this, simply write if the progress value is less than 10. Then print dead.
Okay. If progress dot value is less than 10 or less than, wait, can you do less than or greater than? Wait, less than or greater than, less than or greater than. I don't know if you, I know you can, I just don't know how. Oh my god, Jesus. Like, less than or greater than, can I do this? Does that work? Wait. Yeah, I don't know. What was the code I had? Yeah, I fucking know it's wrong. Give me a second. Get tree. Bring me to Fiat. Alright, let's test it out, guys. Let's do it. Let's test it. Okay, boop, boop. Bing, bun, boop, pow, bam, bam, shabam, shaboom, shapow, bam. It works! Yeah, baby. Let's fucking go. Alright, so that one's... We've done that one in approximately 36 minutes and 36 seconds. That's pretty good to... That's pretty good. That sounds pretty good to me. English, jeez. Okay. That is that one done. So we can put player health mechanic, player health. Done. Put that over here. Although it's done, it's very flawed. So I'm gonna write flawed. Flawed player health. Because it's definitely gonna need some tinkering. No, I don't want to save the web page. Okay, what do I do? What? Boom! What do I do? Oh my god, I can't speak English, man. Okay. Shooting mechanic, wind trigger, enemy health. I'm gonna do wind trigger because wind trigger is the easiest one. And that sounds good to me. Doing easy shit, so that's what we're gonna do. God, I just realized how fat I look. I'm just like, just here stuck. Okay. There we go. Wait. Oh shit. Put that there. Put that there. Fits my hair. My hair's looking doo-doo. Water. It fits my bloody posture. Okay. So now that we've done with this, I'm going to close this, close this, close this. One person's watching right now. Oh wait, that's probably me. It's crazy one person's watching this. Okay, so it's crazy one person's watching this. Shush. I don't want to hear it. But the music hasn't even been on this entire time. Sorry about that. Alright, so wind trigger. It's pretty much the exact same as a lose trigger, except we win. Which is gonna be activated by exiting a level, because that's what I think it's gonna be. Because you know, parkour games, you exit the level, you complete. Wow, that's so awesome. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Yes, okay, so let's do the fun part first and create a menu. So I'm gonna copy and paste. What do I want to copy and paste? We'll copy and paste this. Because it makes the most sense. Okay, we're gonna do further scenes. Menu. Scene. Where am I?
Hurry, it's the Big W's big whopping
Shut
toy
up!
sale. Get it?
I don't want to hear about this Lego. Well, I like Lego, but I don't like Big W. Because Big W seems like a massive L to me. That was cold. That was very cold. Hello, Savior. Okay, so we are right now, Xavier, making the wind trigger because I have made. I'll show you actually. I'll show you right now if you are watching. Look, levels, level 1. I have 100% health there. Yeah. I press this. Oh no, I have 90%. I have 80, 70, 60, 54. Okay, wait a minute. Take some time. And boom, I'm dead. Wow, that works. So yeah, we have that completed. And now we are making a wind trigger for when you do beat the game, which will be very epic. So yes, put here, click, create view, create scene, create user interface, wind stream. Wow, copy and paste this, make sure it's the exact same. It is. I don't like the fact that it's like that. I wanna. Okay, no, it's not what I want. I want to just copy and paste these. Thank you. No, I lost the cat. No. Kill break or enemy. I just didn't kill. No, I just did just a block that damages you. There's no actual enemy. Like, not one that moves towards you. That will be for later me to figure out. Yeah. So we're gonna make the background different color because what would be a good color for winning? Oh my god. It's yellow. Congratulations. Green, yeah, green makes sense. Ooh, should be a rainbow, just give epilepsy. Sorry for that. Oh, I just realized those. Wait, look at these 4 things. Look at that. Whoa, it moves. Oh, that's cool. What's the middle look like? What am I saying? It's like evil is the middle. Nice. Okay. Okay, what am I doing? Let's do. What does the Devstream look like? Let me fix my posture. Main menu, credits, levels, Devstream, main menu, main wind stream. I need some purple in this. Wow, wow indeed, that was crazy. Okay, let's do that. You win! You did it! Alright. You did it. Font. Ooh, oh yeah, never heard that. What font color am I thinking? It has to be nice, nice and relaxing. Nice and tame. Pink. Yeah, okay, I can do that, okay. The very light pink, okay. Outline, it's not that, we're gonna do a different color. Pure black. Let's do some. Really? What's the. Damn, that look ugly. Okay. We're gonna make it a bit bigger. Let's do 10. Wow. No. 50. Oh, a bit much. 25. 15. Oh yeah. Let's do a fun color. You did it. Okay. Likewise. Oh. Imagine if it was rainbow. But that would be actually fire. That's not fire. That works. I'll keep the cat here for now, just in case. Restart, but don't make it smaller, because, you know, do you really want to restart? Redo level. 1,900, sure. Let's actually make it a bit less. 190. Wow. That'll be 100. Yeah, sure. Let's make it like that. Nah, 75. Oh, that works. 70. There we go. Perfect. Perfecto. Now we don't have here text, but it's currently useless for now because it doesn't work. I'm not bothered to code it right now. You win. Stats. 50. No, wrong one. Shit. Redo. No, not redo. 150. There we go. Why did it select a different one? That's so confusing. You did it. Oh, you have to just move out the fucking way then. Stats. Let's move that over here. Over here. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. It needs to be smaller. Game override. One sizes. Repeat it. Runtime. Depths. That means, yeah. Right up on that deal. Why does it all change? Why? That's so stupid. No, actually, that's so stupid. Why does it change all of it? What? Redo. Thank you. Label. Okay, 50. Go to the left side. Where is that? Where is it? Sorry for not talking much recently. I'm just kind of figuring out this. Okay, why is it not in the fucking? Oh, it's right there. Okay, whoops. Speed runtime at devs. Enemy field. Secrets unlocked. Of course, these aren't actual times. Just quickly put here. Not actual. True. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so there's that for now. What? What did I do? buttons would work again. What? Hey, wait. What does it mean when Galil says condition common parent is true? Continuing. Oh, the buttons. Okay, let's quickly just create a block, like that's smart, I should have done that with the other one. I'll do it with this one. Let's create a new scene. Just quickly, scene, wind block, create a scene, paste that, delete this. Windscreen. Why is it there? Okay. Let's make the color different. Just so everyone can see it's different. Green one, let's make it green, because you know green would be wind. Win-win chicken dinner. Roughness. Which one am I meant to be looking for? Metallic? No, albino. Albedo. Okay, let's do green. Green. Wow. Okay, now let's bring the wind thing in here. Wind block. Okay, I knew actually fix that. That's a Oh fuck, I moved it. Okay, whoops. 0, 0. Okay. Now if I bring this back. Jesus. Okay, let's test out if the code works. Okay. Go to here. It works. Okay, now I need to fix Devstream on instead. I just copy and paste all of this. Devstream up here, so Windstream. Do a code as well. And now scripts. I just realized I forgot to add the script for the other thing. Shit. Alright. Now this has here. This is the wrong one, so not delete this. I'm gonna delete this. Double click to Windstream. View. I'm gonna double click to Windstream. View. Now there's no code. Okay, now we have to pin. Okay. So it should work. Yeah, I saw error messages. Let's test it out. Win. Redo. Wow. Go here. Levels. Wow. Oh, okay, that's cool. That's crazy, guys. So we're making progress. We're making good progress, you know, I'm actually happy. And it restarts that too. Oh, fucking hell, we're doing very well. I'm happy. For like the first stream after going to Sydney and stuff, it's very good. Very happy. Streaming for 58 minutes. I think that's good. I think that's good enough. We made player health. We made player win. Next, I think it's gonna be pretty difficult. Win trigger. Put that there. Next is the shooting mechanic. Oh, actually, should we do keys and doors? Keys and doors. I don't know. Because keys, I have to have like grabbable items and stuff. I'll decide tomorrow. It is main progress. Very banked. Gold, so just add gold. Alright. It's been... Oh my god, what the fuck did I do to that? Okay. It has been 39 minutes and 44 seconds, so I'm gonna end it right when it becomes 1 hour. So that's gonna be so cool, guys. Did I save? I think I saved. I have 49 hours on Get Out. That's crazy. Alright. 3, 2...